Hello friends, here I am with an easy takeout snack, samosa in air fryer. Comes out real crispy, golden brownish texture with flavored potatoes and peas filling. Awesome delicious snack for family delight. And when you have the guests coming over, you can make 5 to 6 samosas in minutes. Very handy option for kids lunchbox too. These samosas taste so delicious without any chutney. Kids will enjoy too. Let's get started. This is the brand I tried in air fryer. These frozen samosas come out perfect and so tasty. If you notice, this brand has 0 grams trans fat and 0 grams cholesterol, which is really awesome. Rather than deep frying or baking in oven, try my air frying settings. So this is what I do for saving time. Instead of thawing outside, I keep samosas in air fryer while it's preheating. Time saver plus gets thawed perfect. Arrange 5 to 6 samosas in air fryer tray. Insert tray in middle rack of the air fryer. Air fry at 360 Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. My air fryer model Instant Vertex Plus preheats for 4 minutes. If your air fryer model doesn't preheat by default, air fry at 360 Fahrenheit for 16 minutes. Flip halfway after 8 minutes. No need of brushing. After the timer is done, samosas are ready to serve. As you see, these are perfect in color, super crispy. If you want more crispy, leave them in hot air fryer for 2 minutes. Enjoy these tasty samosas with your family. See you again with many more tasty recipes. Thanks for watching.